morning and I wake up and I get an idea, so I have to draw it down, otherwise I forget. If any of my night drawing doesn't match, it's not symmetrical, there's always Photoshop. I do like digital art for correct. Okay, I can't sleep, so I've been thinking of that robot again, and I've decided I'm just going to draw the legs now whilst I can't sleep. So I was dreaming again about it, and I think I know why now. It looks like the robot off of O2 advert. I think it's its older brother or something. Anyhow, I started it, so now I've got to finish it, as I can't get back into Wi-Fi land, or the dream world as it was. So here we go. Things up a little bit. Sometimes if you're doing a drawing and it's completely wrong, you need to go back to the drawing board nowadays, because the digital drawing board is absolutely blooming wonderful. Right, so that's the legs now. I like that proportion. Right, so I'll move now the board and kind of shade it in a bit. Right, so we've got a pen. First of all, we put let me try and zoom. Tomorrow, I think my friend Alex is cycling all the way from St Albans, which is like about 10 miles away. He's like a crazy cyclist. Anyway, he said he'd help me do some filming tomorrow. So what I'm planning to do, I see a skip down the road. It's got a big board in it, so I might try and paint the zebra on it, and show you guys what I see, or try and imitate what I see when I was in Africa. I don't know whether you've noticed, a lot of my paintings and drawings got zebras on. I was absolutely fascinated. I'll show you the reason why in tomorrow's piece. But yeah, I always think of zebras from that time to time. So that's the plan, guys. That's what I think I'm going to do.